Hey guys, it's Sean from Way Too Deep, and we went ahead and got our KWI clutch, and so we're going to do an unboxing video for you. I've already unboxed it. We're going to unbox it for you. This is really exciting because we had the base model, and we was still having belt problems. 45 hours, even with a clutch kit, and we went through 2 belts. So I was like, you know what? I'm not going to do it again. Let's go ahead and nip it in the butt. So it was either this or STMs. This was the cheaper version compared to STMs, but I think we're going to be alright with this. Thanks to Travis at TNT and KWI. They even got their own tape. Alright, check it out. Got this nifty little bag. Let's see what's in here. Okay, so this tells you the weights and springs and all that different stuff for horsepower. Spring and some weights. The weight goes on the weight, and then the spring obviously it's for changing. Cool bag. Check that out. It says stop installing your clutches without reading the instructions. Watching the install video and utilizing the parts contained in this package may result in damages. That's pretty cool. It sent us a koozie. What's this? Thank you for your purchase. Instructions. Read before opening. Scan the QR code above to view your digital manual for KWI secondary float install. That's alright. Check that out. They sent the old clutch kit back. If anybody wants to buy this, it's set up for a 120 car on 35s. I personally think it ain't worth shit. With some stickers. That's pretty cool. They sent us 2 of them. We can part, but one on each side of the X3. Secondary. Secondary, they put the helix on, obviously, because the clutch kit come out. Change the spring. Looks like rollers might be upgraded. Machine surface. I'm assuming that's for the float mod. I'll get y'all close up. I'm gonna get everything out of the box. Check that out. This is where the money is, okay? Our 120 car, we got all the, oh yeah, we got all the old parts. Did upgrade the rollers. Wow. I did not know that, so I'm assuming the rollers got upgraded when I had everything put into the secondary. Here's the primary. This is where the money is right here. This right here is a brand new housing. Okay, brand new inner housing, inner hub, however you want to say it. That The 120 doesn't have these metal sheaves right here. The 120 don't have the metal sheaves. Well, I had this put in because what this hub will do on a 120, everybody's like, oh, the noise, the noise, the noise. The 120 hub, as it starts, this rocks back and forth like this, and it creates a rattle. You almost think it's an engine knock, but it's not. It's this damn thing. And the noise will actually travel through the motor to the other side, and it'll also sound like an exhaust heat shield rattle. So we went ahead and we upgraded this. All this is brand new. Our car only had 45 hours on it. It's still a new side by side. It's just we bought the base model. We were just getting into side by sides. We just didn't know what the hell we were doing basically. If I had to do it over again, I would probably buy a Turbo R or a Turbo RR. But mine runs good. Mine's got the Wayland tune, and now it's gonna have a KWI full setup from TNT, and I think we're gonna be all right with this setup. So we have the inner hub, we have the full float mod, which they machine here for the belt to ride smoothly. Now they say when you go to put this on, you put on a brand new belt. All right, we got one. That's cool. I'm excited. I'm so ready to not hear any dang noise that it's not even funny. So remember, I'm gonna get the camera and I'm gonna show you. KWI. That's who we went with. That's what's in it. We'll keep you updated on how they do, because I'm hoping that they're perfect. Look at that machine. Old clutch kit. Don't even look at this damn thing. New weights installed. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. This is supposed to be a special machined helix too. I like it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Should be able to spin some tires now.